Wow, can you believe the year is coming to an end? We thank God for this far that we've come. And in this time of the year, the most that we do is entertaining friends, visiting, we do a lot of cooking, and enjoying the company of family and friends. From the Farmer's Friend YouTube channel, we want to change the gears a bit. We want to come from producing. I know we've learned a lot of production, food production, and we want to come to the farm, from the farm to the fork, how we enjoy some of the produce that we grow in our farms. So come together with me. We are going to learn how you can make very nice, mouth-watering salads, because I know you know how to make good food. Now it's time to learn how to make nice salads to go with it so that your guests can come asking for more. Let's do this together. Don't miss an episode. I am Eunice Karanja, the Farmer's Friend, and here I offer practical solutions to every farmer and household. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to make mango salad. There are plenty of mangoes in Kenya around this time, and so we are going to learn what you can do with mangoes apart from making your juice and eating them fresh. You can make a very nice mouth-watering salad, and that is what we are going to learn today. Come, let us get ready on how we are going to make this salad. What do we need for this salad? We have got 2 medium-sized apple mangoes. You get them when they are ripe. Then we've got 1 beetroot. We will not use all of it. We will take half of it. And then we've got your dania. We call it coriander in English, but this is dania. And it's this simple. Just 3 ingredients: the mangoes, the beetroot, and the coriander. And so, like we always say, it's always good to observe hygiene. So what we need to do is to wash our hands and wash the ingredients, and then we will go right into it. You just wash your hands. So the produce came from the market, so we have to wash thoroughly. So somebody may ask, why do we use soap when washing the fruits? So like I said, these didn't come from the farm. I got them from the market, and you can imagine the journey from the farm to your market. So there's a lot of microbial activity, and that is why we need to wash our fruits with running water and soap. So the fruits and vegetables we wash with running water, and we use a scoring pad to make sure that at least you get rid of germs as much as possible. Because remember, the salads, we are eating them raw, so we don't want people to have infection after enjoying the nice mouth-watering salad. Yeah, so there we have it, our coriander, our dania, let's call them dania, that is how we know them. This salad is so simple as 1, 2, 3, so easy to make at home. And so, what do you start with? You start by peeling your mangoes. How do you slice your mangoes? You can share with us. I will say in cooking, it depends with your creativity. It's actually, cooking is an art, preparing food is an art, combined with a lot of love that we have every time we prepare meals for our loved ones. Yeah, the beauty with having an apple mango is that it has got very few fibers. It's less fibrous, so we will get a lot of salad. There are other mangoes that you can use depending with what you like, as long as they are sweet enough and they are not fibrous. So it just depends with your preference. But I love the apple mango because it's sweet and it has got it has no fiber. So it's just all flesh. So depending with the number of your guests, you can increase or reduce the number of mangoes that you use. So 1 mango will be enough for a small family of 5, you can see. So that is actually 1.5 mangoes. So after that, the next thing I will do, I will take a small portion of fresh beetroot. This is very nice for, of course we know it is very rich in iron, very important for heart health, very rich in antioxidants. So we say the mangoes will mask the taste of the beetroot. So beetroot is very versatile. It doesn't have a very shouting taste, but adding it to the mango, so the mangoes will mask the taste of the beetroot. There you have it. The last thing that we add are our danias. We will not put the stalks, we just need to put the leaves to garnish and to add the flavor. So we want our salad to be appealing to the eye, because we said, and we always say in cooking, people, the appetite is built even by the food itself before it goes to the mouth. So we want something very appealing to the eye. So tunatoa majani wenye tunapika tu kawaida, nothing extraordinary, just kawaida. Here we offer practical solutions. In the Farmer's Friend YouTube channel, we offer practical solutions. So the mangoes we buy, beetroot you can grow, and remember we always say that even if you don't have a farm, you can grow beetroot in a container. I like talking about the urban, peri-urban farming, so we don't have to buy everything from the market. So ukiwa na ka container hapo nje, unaweza weka mbegu. So this salad, it's so easy for us to make. So easy, like 1, 2, 3, with just 3 ingredients. Look at that. Hey, look at that, my people. Look at this. So this is health. So if you don't like the very big leaves, there are people who don't like, you can cut the dania into small pieces, but I like them big. So again, we say it depends with your creativity. How do you make your mango and beetroot salad? This one for those people who are watching their weight and they want to keep healthy. You just take this for your lunch and you're good to go. Enjoying the health, pure health benefit, mango, beetroot and dania. Very simple as 1, 2, 3. Anybody can make it. How do you like yours? Leave it in the comment section. Let us all learn from each other. We don't stop learning, we keep learning. So share your recipe so that others can learn from you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the Farmer's Friend YouTube channel for more of this episode. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe so that you keep learning every time we upload a new episode. Enjoy your holidays and stay blessed. See you in the next one.